Check this out, guys. On one of my WarriorPlus accounts, I was able to make over $400 just today, but that's not all. Yesterday, I made over $500 just by doing this method that I'm going to show you in today's video. But to make it even more interesting, I'm going to show you my weekly stats, where you can see that in the past 7 days, I was able to make over $2,500 just by promoting affiliate marketing products from WarriorPlus using this exact same method that complete beginners are using to make hundreds of dollars every single day completely for free. Now lately I've been wondering how to start making even more money for the same amount of work that I'm doing online, setting up all these affiliate marketing methods, and in the past 7 days I was able to find the exact answer that I was looking for, how to actually make more money for the same amount of work, and I'm still pretty shocked that it's working so well. So if you're going to watch this video from beginning to the end, you will know exactly what this secret sauce is to increase your conversions, to increase your sales, and in the long term to make more money. And I'm also going to show you step by step how to set up this exact method that I used to make over $500 per day, so you can go out there, test this out for yourself, and make some money with it too. Now this is going to work for any affiliate marketplace out there, but what I highly recommend is that you go to WarriorPlus.com, because when we are going to be using offers from WarriorPlus, I'm going to show you exactly the criteria that you want to look for to get the offers that are going to make you the most amount of money for the same amount of work. So even if you are a complete beginner who never made any money online with affiliate marketing or any other method out there, and you want to start doing so today, what you want to do first is go to WarriorPlus.com and you want to grab yourself your free account. Just go to WarriorPlus and click on free sign up, and all you have to do here is to choose your username, choose a strong password, and put in your email address. Now I highly recommend that you're not going to put your main email address into this, because this account will be making you money, and if something happens to your email address, your email account, you will not be able to access your money, and that's not something you want to happen. So what you want to do is pretty much just go ahead and create a brand new email address that you're going to be using with this account, and then use that to sign up for WarriorPlus. Once you do that, what you want to do is just to make sure you're going to fill this captcha right here, click on create an account, and pretty much it's done. That's how your account gets created. Then you want to log right into it, and once you log into your account, go to this section where it says affiliate, and you want to click on offers. This is going to take you to affiliate marketplace where you can grab yourself an affiliate offer to promote. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some criteria that you want to look for, and because I'm going to be teaching you some powerful stuff, I would greatly appreciate if you will just hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and also to never miss out on any of my future uploads. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below this video and do tell me if you are a complete beginner who never done affiliate marketing before, or you're just looking for some new methods how to make money online too. And with all that being said, let's get to the point. And we can see right here in this affiliate marketplace, you've got many offers that you can apply to promote, but what you want to be looking at is these statistics right here. Now if you're not a numbers person, just as I am, because I really despise mathematics and everything related to it, but when it comes to money, it's way easier to do math, mostly because it doesn't contain alphabet in it. If you're going to look at these numbers, you can see that various offers are having various statistics, and what is the most important statistic that you want to be looking for as a complete beginner is these two columns right here. You can see right here in these middle columns that you can the conversion rate expressed in percentage right here, and you get your visitor value, which is essentially EPC, or earnings per click. What you want to be looking for when choosing an affiliate offer to promote is one with the highest conversion rate expressed in percentage. For example, this one right here has 75% conversion rate, but it has only $3.11 EPC, which essentially means that it's the average amount of money you're going to make for every click that you're going to get to your affiliate link. Now pretty much EPC is one of the most important statistics to look for when choosing an affiliate link to promote, and it's very important to choose something with a very high EPC, because for example, if you're going to be promoting this offer using paid advertisement, for each click you can make $3.11, and that's pretty much the amount of money you will be making for every click, and you want to spend less than that on advertisement. And as you can see right here, with 75% conversion rate and with over 100,000 sold units, this product that's called RPM 3.0, it has very low EPC. You will need to make a lot of sales to make huge amounts of money. What I highly recommend is that you look for products that will have a lot higher EPC, because that way you can get less amount of clicks to your affiliate links and you will still make more money than that. For example, if you're going to take a look at this product right here that's called Ink AI, and you see the numbers, it has 45% conversion rate but its EPC is at $15.76. This means for every click on average you will get to your affiliate link, you will make $15.76. So to make the same amount of money as with the product that I was showing you before, you need to get 5 times less traffic to your affiliate link to make that amount of money. And because getting less traffic to pay more is much easier than getting more traffic to pay less, especially if you're going to be using free ads to do this, because we don't want to be spending any money on ads before we make some money. This is the exact type of offers that you want to go for. Now pretty much if you're going to take a look at this, both of these offers that are at $15 and at $10 are from the same creator on WarriorPlus, and pretty much it's very similar product. I'm going to choose one of these, and because I've been promoting this one before and I know it through, I'm going to show you how to do it with this offer that's called AI Spark, first ever ChatGPT-4 powered marketplace app. Now because internet is very crazy about AI and everything AI related right now, AI products are one of the best offers to go for at this point in time. Promoting a product just like this is going to be very easy. What you want to do to promote products from WarriorPlus is actually request your affiliate link. To do that, I'm going to show you how to do that on another product, because I've been promoting this one before, but if I'm going to open yet another affiliate product I haven't been promoting before, it's going to say something like this: you must be approved to promote this offer. So what you want to do is go to this section where it says request approval, you want to click on it, and you want to write in here a short paragraph why you should be approved. Now pretty much I've got my own text prepared right here that I'm using to apply for affiliate offers on WarriorPlus, and somewhere in the video description I'm going to leave a link to Google Documents where you can grab this exact same text that you can customize to your own name and your own needs. And pretty much I've been using this copy for the entire time I've been working with WarriorPlus, and I had great results with it, so I'm going to give you full permission to use it too. Once you're going to decide what affiliate product you want to go for, and you get your affiliate link that you can use to promote it and make money with, what you want to do is actually start promoting the offer itself. Now I'm going to give you two free traffic sources that I've been using with this method, and lately I had great results with. So if you are a complete beginner with no skills, no experience, and literally just a couple of minutes of your time per day, you can start doing this right away and make some money with it too. What you want to do first is just go ahead and copy your affiliate link from WarriorPlus, and make sure you're going to save it somewhere where you will be able to access it later, because we are going to be needing it. And also what you want to do is go ahead and open the JV page of this product, which is pretty much like a bunch of resources created by the author that's going to help you promote this exact offer way easier. What you want to do is open the JV page, grab your affiliate link, then what you want to do is go to this website right here, name of which I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds. But as you can see right here, this website is going to provide you with 100% real traffic, no fake traffic, no bots, only real people who you will be targeting, and this is pretty much working based on email web marketing. And the name of this website is Hercules.com. As you can see right here, this mailing service is serving over 346,000 members, so you will be pretty much able to reach 346,000 people completely for free, as you can see right here on this banner. So even if you are a complete beginner, this is one of the best starting points to get traffic to your affiliate links and to get traffic pretty much everywhere. So what you want to do is sign up for your free account. All you have to do is just fill in a bunch of these personal informations. Where did you hear about us? Choose a username, choose a strong password, and pretty much go ahead and fill in the email that you want to be using with this service. Then just agree to these terms of service, complete the CAPTCHA, click on create an account, then just log right into it. And right off the bat you will be bombarded by advertisement. Don't get discouraged by this, because this website is pretty much running on these free ads without you having to spend any money on it. What you want to do is navigate to this section where it says submit daily email/web ad. Click on that, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down here to these sections where you get these two forms. Pretty much this form on the right side is paid and it's using credit, which I do not have available because I've been running some paid ads actually. But to do this completely for free, go to this form on the left side, and you want to pretty much fill in these 3 fields to create a simple promotional email that's going to be sent to 1,000 people at the same time. Now you don't have to be writing any emails yourself. What you want to do is go back to the affiliate page of the product, go up here in the tools, and you get provided with this Google document full of tools that you can use to promote this product. Now pretty much right here you can see that you've got these email swipes that you can just copy and paste. So I'm just going to open some of these up and then just choose the email swipe that you want to go with. Pretty much you can just copy and paste each of these swipes into separate ads, because you can post multiple of these per day. So for example, let's go with this one. I'm just going to copy it just like this, then go to Hercules and paste it into the body of the email. I'm going to stretch this a little bit out because I need to customize this a little bit, and I want to show you how to do that. So first of all, what you want to do is go back to WarriorPlus and you want to grab your affiliate link. So what you want to do is make sure you're going to paste the link into into the body of this email into these places where it says click here, and also you need to make sure you're going to sign up using your name, just like that. Then what you want to do is paste your affiliate link into this test URL field right here as well, and for the subject line just pretty much go to the JB document and you want to copy the subject line from the email swipe. Just copy it and paste it in there, and pretty much this is done. All you need to do now is just click on submit ad, and this ad got submitted to 1,000 members, so 1,000 people are going to receive this email into their inbox. And because it took me like 30 seconds to copy and paste it without having to spend a single dollar for advertisement, this is pretty much one of the easiest ways to get traffic. Now I'm going to show you yet another website that you can use for this, and for that just go to worldprofit.com and you want to sign up for your free account again. Once you do that, you want to log right into it by clicking these members, and once you log into your WorldProfit account, what you want to do is go to this toolbar on the left, you want to click on free classified ads, and you want to click on place free ad. Very easily, very fast, and all you have to do to renew this ad is just come to this side, view a few advertisement pages, and you're going to get a bunch of credits. Then what you want to do is go ahead and post multiple of these advertisements just like this, and once you finish customizing them, just click on post ad, and just like that your classified ad is now entered. Now you can view it in your edit ads button. Pretty much it's going to look something like this, and what you want to do is go ahead and post a bunch of these, and that way you will get more traffic to the sales page through your affiliate link, and every time somebody is going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid money. Now this is just one of the most beginner friendly affiliate marketing methods. If you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using myself to make over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, using this YouTube channel or any of my social media, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you. Now if you're hungry for some more free money making content, there's videos popping up all over the screen right now that you can choose from, so just go ahead and do that. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you there.